Hey folks, Mike and McGee here. In today's video, we are going to be doing the excitement of the century for us. And that is, we're going to haul these logs to our buddy Jared Brubaker, who has his own channel, and he's going to saw this up for us. In my way of thinking, this is poetic justice. The tree that fell on the smokehouse will be used to build the next one. Now, as you see, we've got poplar logs on here as well as oak. The oak fell on the smokehouse, but it also fell on the poplar, pushing the poplar over, uprooting it. But the poplar slowed the oak down and allowed it to ease down slowly. But they're both done for. They're both going to be used to rebuild the new smokehouse. Let's get up on the mountain and get this wood sawed. All right, as you can see, we made it to the sawmill. He's getting his forks on his tractor, getting ready to unload these logs. I hope his forks can handle it. We loaded it without a fork. As you recall in the last video, no forks were used. All right, we've got the first poplar log on there. We're going to be making our one buys for our boxing. This is the first sawmill video I've ever made. I've never had a sawmill on my plate. He purchased this sawmill, and from the beginning showed on his channel unboxing, putting it together. He sawed some logs on it. It is a Woodland Mills brand. I guess today we're going to see how good it does. He also showed on his channel adding this extension, so he's able to saw much longer logs now than what it came with originally. Look in the descriptions of this video and you'll see a link for his channel, and you can check him out. He's got all kinds of stuff, hog butchering, cooking. His wife cooks on there, sawmill work, whole 9 yards. Oh, and did I mention he has Mangalitsa pigs straight from McGee Homestead. He told me he recently butchered the barrow that I sold him. Don't tell anybody, but he's got a butchering video coming out. It's in the process of editing right now. This particular log is a little bowed, so we're going to lose a little bit on it, but it beats throwing it away or burning it. That is one log right there. We made 7 1x9.5. That's quite a bit of coverage, you know, once we get to putting our walls up. That's not bad. We might have enough poplar to do the whole wall system. I'm not sure yet, but they just loaded another poplar. We're going to cut some more. All right, here you can see all of the poplar. We just got it all finished up. We took a break. We went and ate some lunch, fed the boys. They like eating better than working, just barely. But we're gonna start the oak now, get the oak all sawed. Oh yeah, manpower. Yep. I didn't want to drop that big one back there. Looks like we just about maxed his saw out. It's a good thing the tree fell this year, let's put it that way. He said this is the second largest log, as far as diameter goes, that he's ever had in this mill. And it looks like, oh, he's yanking on my pants. It looks like that it's gonna fit. Hiya, Doc. All right, folks, it's time to load them up. That works right there, Will, full arrangement. We got her done. We've got the lumber on the trailer. The boys just now finished strapping it. How do you like having a lot of help?
I love it. I was able to get 10 times as much done as usually in a day. So
now I guess you go home and tell the wife you got to have at least 4 or 5 boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're halfway to 4.
Yeah. Let me know how that goes later. Look at this kid sneaking up. He likes being on that camera. Man, you got sawdust all in your hair, boy. Anyway, I want to say a huge thank you to Jared Brubaker. Go down in the descriptions. You can find his link to his channel and get over there, support him. Some of you already do, and I appreciate that a lot. But we're going to get out of here. The next video you see, it's going to be time to build a smokehouse. Because as you know, I can't live long without my smokehouse. I don't know how I made it all those years. Well into my 40s, let's put it that way. We're going to get out of here. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.